in 1999, getting ready for the 2000 Sydney Olympics, competing in the sport of the decathlon and track and field. I was one of the favorites to make the Olympic team for the U.S. and go to Sydney and compete. And unfortunately, 2 weeks before Olympic trials, I had a significant injury that took me out of competition. And my goals and my dreams of becoming an Olympian were just destroyed in amidst of a few seconds. And at that point in time, honestly, I gave up.
Hey guys, welcome to Keep On Pushing Stories, where, we tell you real life stories of persistence and inspiration and motivation, because we want to inspire you to live your absolute best life. And today, I'm really excited to welcome my fellow Olympian bobsledder, Bill Scheffenhauer. Bill, welcome to Keep On Pushing Stories, bro.
Devon, thanks for having me, brother. It's been an honor. I've always been looking forward to this and excited to share some, hopefully drop some knowledge bombs on everyone out there.
Well, we know you're going to do that. Before you drop the knowledge, drop some information on us. Tell us what it is that you do. How do you serve? How do you bring value to the lives of others?
Yeah, I realized a long time ago that it is what it is. I've had a lot of experiences through my life that have been the highest of highs, and I've had the lowest of lows, and realized that I wasn't the only person that has experienced those things in life, but I've been able to overcome a lot of them. And so I share a lot of those stories with people, from regular people to executives to other teams, in hopes to help them overcome whatever it is that they got going on in their life. And, just coming from a place of service is what I truly enjoy doing.
Indeed, indeed. So how would someone find you if they needed your help?
Yeah, the easiest way to find me is just check out my website, olympianspeaks.com. That connects my personal cell phones on there. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but but all my social media is on there, and people have questions, just reach out.
All right, olympianspeaks.com. That's where you find my man, Bill. So Bill, so drop some you drop some knowledge, now drop some inspiration, bro. Tell us your Keep On Pushing story. We want to hear of a time when you had to overcome a significant hurdle, or you had to push yourself out of your comfort zone. And we know you have a few of them, but just tell us one.
Yeah, the biggest one was when in 1999, getting ready for the 2000 Sydney Olympics, competing in the sport of the decathlon and track and field. I was one of the favorites to make the Olympic team for the U.S. and go to Sydney and compete. And unfortunately, 2 weeks before Olympic trials, I had a significant injury that took me out of competition. And my goals and my dreams of becoming an Olympian were just destroyed in amidst of a few seconds. And at that point in time, honestly, I gave up, thought my career as an athlete was over. And lo and behold, I was approached by someone that said, "Hey, what do you think about competing in the bobsled?" And of course, I'm like, "What are you talking about, bobsled? What is a bobsled?" And as you know, we've joked around. I was introduced to the sport via Cool Runnings, the movie. And you know what? It was the whole goal and the dream was to become an Olympian. It wasn't specifically Olympian in track and field. It would, could have been badminton. It didn't matter what it was. The goal was to become an Olympic athlete. And so, with a year and 3 months to go, we just said, "Hey, what do we have to lose? Why don't we learn how to pivot, adapt, and overcome this failure for track and field, and put everything all of our passion, desire of track and field into this bobsled bucket, and just go for it and see what happens." And so that's what we did. Just put all the energy we had, obviously time, we had a very short amount of time to accomplish this goal. But again, the goal was to become an Olympian, and, surrounded ourselves with the best coaches, best athletes, learned about bobsled because I was a student of the sport first and foremost. And, in that year and 3 months time, was able to turn everything around and make the first Olympics, obviously for me in my own hometown, and win the first Olympic medal for the U.S. in over 46 years.
That's pretty awesome, if I may say so myself. So tell me, what did you learn from that experience?
I just learned that, sometimes we look at life and experiences, that are tragedies, and we let them define us, and we let them defeat us, if you will. And if we, instead of looking at it as a defeat, look at it as an opportunity to learn and grow, that might, that's like the calling card that can take you to that next level. And so for me, anytime I have something in life that happens that might not be exactly the way, didn't go exactly the way I wanted to, I take a time out and reflect on it. It's like, okay, what can I actually learn from this situation? What can I learn from this experience, as opposed to letting it defeat me? And I could have very well, most people would have walked away, when I was injured, and just said, hey, I'm done, and, because I didn't, and because I pushed, keep on pushing, push forward, I created history for myself by pushing forward and not giving up. And so again, just take those, lessons in life that might be negative, and just say, hey, what can I learn from this? Don't let it defeat you. Figure out what you can learn from it, and move on and push forward.
Yeah, I would argue that you not only created history for yourself, you created history for your country. You became a part of bobsledding and Olympic history. So kudos. And it's because, as you said, you didn't allow the failure to define you and defeat you, but rather to
Yeah.
change your perspective. So, um, really powerful examples of keep on pushing. Amazing story, inspiring lessons. Thank you so much, Bill, for sharing with us.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, Devin. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Hey, guys, if you enjoyed this, if you found it valuable, please leave a comment below, hit that subscription button and the notification bell. And don't forget, share it. Don't keep it, man. Your friends want to be inspired as well, so share it. Also, visit my website, devonharris.com. If you subscribe to our newsletter, you'll get this and other amazing videos in your inbox. Until we connect next time, you know what to do. Keep on pushing.